Hello everyone, Santhosh here. Today we will see how we can create auto layout constraint using programmatic way. So without delay, let's get into the video. Open your Xcode. Okay, here is a brand new project. We will see how we can create auto layout constraint in a programmatic way. For that, first of all, we have to do like a 4-step process. First, we need to create views, and then we return them. And second step, create constraints. We will create these constraints in a array format. So, and step 3, add created subviews to view, which is parent view. We can call parent view. Step 4, after creating all the constraints, we need to activate them. So in these 4 steps, we can able to create constraints in programmatic way. Let's see one by one. So first we can, I'm creating here at the top, step 1. So we need to create views. So for that I'm using where like view name red view, which is of UA view type, and we use closures here. So we can use like a lazy keyword. So the purpose of this lazy keyword is like it only initiates like when we required, so it will be like cost effective. Since it is a like a red view is a lazy property, it is not initialized until it is first accessible, right? If it is needed, then only it will be created. So it is optional, you can use where, either is fine. Okay, I'm using lazy. Since it is a closure, we have to give open and close parenthesis brackets at the end. So let's create our view, red view equal to, we are assigning a view to our red view, which is this. And since it is a red view, we will assign background color. From now onwards, we are using red view underscore red view dot background color equal to, you can give any, like we are using name red view, so giving red. Okay, and make sure to use translate auto resizing mask into constraints equal to false. This must be false, and we need to use this sentence to create programmatic constraints, because if you don't give this sentence here, iOS takes like default constraints. So our programmatic constraint will be conflicted with the default constraints. That is why we are assigning it as false. Okay, and here we can observe error missing return type, since it is a closure and it will expect like return statement. So return what we should return, like red view. So now error is gone. So in this way we can create another view. We just have created one view. Now creating another view like green view. dot green. You can use either way, like you can use dot green, or you can use color literal. So if you select this, you can see small white box here. From here, if you double click on it, it allows you to select the color. So you can select it, or you can simply use dot green, and it is expecting return type. So I am returning green view. If you want to create more views, you can create the same way. You can just copy and paste it will and change the variable type. So this is the first step. We just have created two views, two sub views. Our next step is we need to create constants array, right? So here, coming to second step, I'm just using a function because I am out of this view did load function. So I'm just creating a function. It is optional. If you don't want to create a function, you can directly write the code within this curly braces. So it will be directly executed. So I'm just creating function, like function name, anything, use setup. Since here to activate to activate constraints, we need to use an array of ns layout constraints. So for this, we are creating a array of ns layout constraints. That means, right, like I'm creating where red view constraints array, which is of type ns layout constraint. It is a ns layout constraints type array, and declaring as empty. So this is a ns layout constraints type of array. Okay, now we will assign constraints. Red view, since it is a array, we need to insert elements like append. Here we are assigning constraints, right, to the view. First top anchor dot constraints. We have to, you can observe here when you hover it, like when you select it. So based on this, we are going to assign constraints. So we need to use this because here equal to view dot, which is parent view. We are assigning top anchor and the distance I'm using 20. So it will maintain 20 pixels, 20 points from the top. Okay, and next same way append view, sorry, here it is red view dot next leading, which means left side constraint. Again from left we are assigning constraint based on the parent view dot leading anchor. I'm giving 20, or you can give 0, so there will be no space. View same way, red view dot trailing or right angle, trailing dot constraint equals to view dot trailing anchor, right side also 0. Make sure to use trailing anchor. If you use trailing anchor here, if you use right anchor here, you need to use right anchor here, otherwise it will throw you error. So make sure to use same anchors. And we have assigned top anchor, leading and trailing, but we need one more anchor, either it is bottom or height. So we have another view to add, so we don't want to add bottom anchor, so we are assigning height to this red view. So for that, same red view constraint dot append red view dot here height anchor dot constraint. Here you need to use, you can see, since it is a height anchor, we need to use only height CG float, which is this one. We only use CG float. It should be single parameter. Like here we can assign 100 or anything. So we have successfully created one red view, one sub view. In the same way, we can create a green view. So I will firstly add where green view constraints array, which is of type ns layout constraint equal to, and green view that happened, let's top anchor here, top anchor here should be red view, because this red view is on the top and the green view is bottom of this red view. So we are assigning constant based on this red view. So here I'm giving red view dot bottom view. So bottom of the red view we are targeting for our green subview, and giving distance like 20 or 30 points, and remaining green view constraints dot here I'm giving leading anchor, which is equal to, we can give either view, the parent view, or we can use the same leading anchor of our red view. So I'm giving red view dot leading anchor, so it will take same as leading anchor of red view 0. So indent is not working. Okay, here the same, like red view dot trailing anchor and 0, which is equal to, this trailing anchor is equal to red view trailing anchor, and we need to assign height. Sorry, anchor dot constraint equal to, we need to use only CG float. So here this height also 100. So we now successfully added our constraints, but we need to add these views to parent view, which is view. So here comes step 3. To add subviews to the parent view, we just use view sorry, we need to here step 3, view dot add subviews, view name which is red view, we have created at the top, and view dot add subview green view. So we have added our subviews to the parent view, but we need another step to follow. If you don't activate those constraints, it won't work. So last step is we need to activate those constraints. To do that, we need to use ns layout, like constraint dot active constraints. Here you can observe the constraint type is array. You can see square bracket, which is array type of ns layout constraint. That is why we have created here array and appended all the constraints into this array. So we just need need to add this red view constraint array here. So it will directly take. And one more thing, ns layout dot activate green view constraint array. So we have completed all the 4 steps, but we need to call this function in the view did load method. I'm just calling this function view setup. So now this function will be executed. Now let's see what we have created from starting. In step 1, we have created views using closure. We have assigned background color, and we did translate auto resolving marks into constraints to false, and again we have created green view. And in the step 2, we have created a function which is optional. If you don't want to create a function, you have to write all this code inside this view did method. So you don't need to create a function. So for simplification, I have created a function. Here in the function, I have created a constraints array for red view. It is a array which is of ns layout constraint type and declared an empty array. And now we have append method to add elements into this array. That's why I have used append method and added top anchor constraints, leading anchor, trailing anchor, and height. And later I have created another array for green view. So did the same thing. And now in the step 3 I have added all the created subviews to the parent view, which is view. And last step is we have to activate it. So I have activated all the constraints. Now let's run and see how will it works. So we have got an error. Let's see what type of error we got. Okay, sorry for the mistake. Actually I have created I have set this to false but didn't set for green view. Green view dot, for small mistakes it will create big headaches. So false. Let's run and see. You can see we have successfully created our two views. Now I will explain the anchors. For red view we have assigned top anchor 20 pixel, which is from here to here. This is 20 pixel, and we have assigned leading for red view, which is 0, which means from here, and for right also we have assigned 0 here, and the height, next anchor is height, which is 100. For green view we have assigned 30 pixels gap for top anchor from red view bottom anchor. From here to here it is 30 points, right? For leading it is same as red view. That is why I have mentioned red view dot leading anchor, which is the same leading anchor constant is used for green view. In this way, in the same way I have used trailing anchor as well, which is same as red view, and the height is same 100 pixels. And now if you observe here, the red view is went inside, like it is a safe area, but it went inside safe area, which is actually not recommended. Our red view should be within the safe area. So to do that we need to do a small change in the top anchor of red view here, which is top anchor. Here we need to do a small change, like top view dot space view dot safe area layout guide dot top anchor. Remaining is same. Now run and see. We will see the gap. Now it should be from here, the red view. Right, here you can see. Now this is safe area. From safe area we have given 20 points. If it is safe area from here, then 20 points here. So in this way we can create programmatic constraints auto layouts easily in this 4-step process. I hope this video helpful. If you find value in this video, please like the video. If you are not yet a subscriber of our channel, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.